Hello folks, and welcome back to more of the 2003 Cayley contest put out by the University of Waterloo. That's the Cayley Mathematics Contest. And we're up to question number 5. The integer closest to the value of 3 halves multiplied by 4 ninths plus 7 halves is... So there's two ways we can really go about doing this question. One would be to grab our handy calculator. And when I grab my calculator, 3 halves multiplied by 4 ninths plus 7 halves, I get an answer of 4.166 repeating. So that's the closest integer to that. We're going to round down to 4, so I see my answer is B4. But suppose I didn't have a calculator. What am I to do then? Well, let's get to the pen and paper and get some calculations going. We're going to work this out by hand, get ourselves a mixed fraction. So we have 3 halves multiplied by 4 ninths plus 7 halves. Okay? So, as with everything, even though we've got fractions going on, we always do our order of operations, and multiplication comes before addition. So to multiply two fractions, we multiply their tops, and we multiply their bottoms. And that's going to be 12 over 18. We could simplify it, but we don't have to. So we have 12 over 18 plus 7 halves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common denominator. And I see that 18 is already a multiple of 2, so I'm just going to secretly multiply this guy top and bottom by 9 to get 12 over 18 plus 63 over 18. And now that I have a common denominator, I put everything over that common denominator, and I can add 12 plus 63 over 18, and that's going to be 75 over 18. So now I have to sort of see if I could simplify this in any way. Okay? What I want is a mixed fraction, so some whole number and then something over something. So if I want that whole number, I have to see how many copies of 18 go into 75. Well, what happens when we're going to flip the page here. What happens when we do long division 18 and 75? Okay. Well, we can see, let's just think of our multiples of 18. 18, 36, give me 4 here, 5 here, 7 and a 2 here, and if we go any further, we'll hit 90, and that's above 75. So the best one we're going to get is a 4 here, and that'll give us 72 with a remainder of 3. So 75 over 18 is really just 72 plus 3 over 18. 72 over 18 plus 3 over 18. 72 over 18, of course, is 4. So we have 4 plus 3 over 18, or we usually write that as 4, 3 over 18. Now both of these have a factor of 3 in them, so I could actually simplify it a little further to say 4 over 1/6, or 4 times 1/6. Not 4 times 1/6, 4 and 1/6. So I have a mixed fraction of 4 and 1/6. So when I'm trying to find the integer closest to, I can see that this number is between 4 and 5. I want to know which one is it closer to. And that's when I take a look at the fraction here. And I ask myself, 1/6, is that below 1/2? Or is that above 1/2? And of course, it's this situation, so we're going to round down. So 4 is our answer. And 4, as we already mentioned, just with our calculator work, is an answer of B. So we'll bubble in B4, and we'll move on to question number 6, and we'll handle that on our next video. So thank you for watching the 2003 Cayley. I'll see you guys next time.